Homemade butter garlic bread. Very simple, delicious. That's the recipe of the day. I'm going to take you through the simple steps to make this delicious recipe. Use a chopper or a blender to chop some garlic and parsley. I've taken a long loaf like this, cut lengthwise first, then like this. In this bowl I have some melted butter. To that I am going to add our chopped parsley and garlic mix. Apply the butter, garlic, parsley mix on the bread. Bread coated with the garlic and butter is ready to go to the oven. Let's see how to make the garlic butter bread, cheesy garlic butter bread. Here I have the bread on which I apply the butter, garlic and the parsley. Now to make a cheese garlic bread, I got some parmesan and shredded mozzarella here, which I'm going to mix and generously apply on this bread. Now this butter garlic bread and butter cheese garlic bread needs 8 minutes in the oven, which is preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is how they look like when they're out of oven. Let me try and cut a piece. Hope you hear the crunch. Crunchy crust and fabulous flavor in and out. Too good. Must try this one. Take care of yourself.